Hello, my name is Michael Hebert. I'm a compressed air and energy saving specialist for Air Solutions Canada. I wanted to take this moment to talk about some of the new programs with Save on Energy, as well as some of the inefficiencies that I see out in the marketplace and for a lot of customers with their compressed air systems. So for the 4 years that I have been working with Air Solutions, I've gone to many different types of factories of all shapes and sizes, food and pharma, automotive, packaging, you name it, and I've been in there. I've discussed and worked on a lot of different projects with engineering firms and general contractors to design the most efficient compressed air system that I believe a customer would be able to use. Now, what makes up efficient compressed air system? Customers and engineers of all likes like to be able to size their compressed air equipment as efficiently as possible. Compressors, especially larger ones, have upwards of 50, 100, sometimes 200 kilowatts on their motors. Obviously, if you're using this every single day, it will cost a pretty penny to keep that running. So it is very important when designing a compressed air system to take this into account.